KOHLER vanity tops can accommodate both widespread faucets and single-hole faucets. For single-hole faucet installations, turn the countertop over so the underside is facing up. Apply siliconized acrylic caulk to the provided metal plates. Press the plates over the unused knockout holes. Allow the caulk to cure for 48 hours before installing the vanity top. To knock out the additional holes needed for a widespread faucet installation, securely clip the template onto the countertop. Place the countertop face up on a protected, flat, level surface. With a ball-peen hammer, strike the centers of each knockout hole. Lift the countertop to remove the debris. Set the countertop down and refine the edges of the holes by lightly hammering within the circles. Remove the template. Install the faucet and sink to the countertop by following the manufacturer's instructions.